took Bully for a little hike in this small park near where I live, Wolf Lake Park. Put the GoPro on his back. Curious to see what it looks like. It's probably gonna be crazy, but we'll see. Did it, Bully. All right, we're gonna go home, get you some water, and we'll be there in like 3 minutes. Good boy. You're a good boy. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Cheers. Oh my.